So you come to your meeting at the conference room on Monday morning. You're ready to meet. There's an error on the screen. You call IT, people are filing in, but it just won't work. You keep trying to fix it for a few minutes. Everyone is waiting.
Why does this never work?
Finally, you decide to cancel the meeting and reschedule.
I can't make it tomorrow.
This always happens.
Wouldn't it be better if Ford AV monitored your equipment remotely and found the issue before the meeting started? Here's how it works. We developed custom software called AVRMM that monitors AV equipment connected to the network. Maybe there's an issue with your display. Our software detects the problem and notifies the Ford Service Center. Our service engineers work quickly to resolve the issue. It may be a software update, restart, power supply failure, or a disconnected network cable. Day or night, Ford identifies the issue to resolve it fast and minimize downtime. With AVRMM, your meeting is up and running. Monitor, notify, resolve. That's how AVRMM works. AVRMM, AV Remote Monitoring and Management by Ford AV. Contact us now to get started.